Here are some examples of what teachers will be able to do with their cameras once they are installed in their classrooms. What you're looking at right now is a test environment that mirrors what your teachers will be able to do for their students. And we are looking at an eClass course page. And in our first example, where the video is placed into the eClass course page, notice that there's a small window here, and you can start playing from the small window. Probably what is more effective is if you maximize it.
Plus owner's equity. Okay, so if we were to write that on the board, assets.
Note there are two windows.
Liability.
The camera, which is capturing the teacher and the whiteboard, and another window which is a computer capture. Of course, in one window it's showing the teacher. In this case, the camera is focused on the board, and the clarity of the writing really is quite good. The other window in this case is a PowerPoint, which is being fed into the computer. The student completely controls what they view using the tools at the bottom of the screen.
Minus liability.
Notice in the toolbar, I can stop, which I've just done. I can hit play, and the teacher is going. I can do a double screen, where I've got the teacher on one side and the computer feed on the other side. I can go completely to the teacher, and I can switch back and forth between the two. I can back up and re-watch anything that I need to watch again, just following the progress bar at the bottom of the screen.
Out on this side of the equation because what? Everything has to stay equal on both sides. So you have to minus on both sides.
Let me pull up a second example.
Assets minus
This one is similar. In this case, the teacher input is actually a ladybug. And what we'll see here, the teacher's working at the desk, and also we have the ladybug. And if I'm going to focus in on the ladybug, some things to note here. The teacher is only using a ballpoint pen, and you can read what the teacher is writing just fine.
Let's model how to do some of these. Let's start with 2 plus.
Other devices also work with this, such as a smartboard or a microscope. Anything that can be plugged into a computer may be used. And the process for teachers to do this really is pretty easy. All they have to do is click one button at the bottom of the screen and then click it again to stop. The videos are in turn stored in Safari Montage, and teachers follow the exact same process that they currently use for adding Safari content to their course pages.